Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer location tracking with Google Places into no-code detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, ensure you have access to your Google Places API key. Log in to your Google Cloud Platform account. Navigate to the API and Services section. Select the Credentials tab from the left sidebar. Here, locate your API key or create a new one if necessary. Once you have your API key, open your no-code platform of choice. For this guide, we'll assume you are using a popular no-code tool such as Adalo or Bubble. In your no-code platform's dashboard, create a new project. Look for the option to integrate external APIs or services. Paste your Google Places API key into the appropriate field. Next, familiarize yourself with the Google Places API documentation. Identify the specific data you want to retrieve, such as place names, addresses, and location coordinates. Create a data structure in your no-code tool to store this information. Define the fields you'll need, such as place name, address, and coordinates. Set up a new API. Choose the appropriate endpoint based on your desired data. Configure any query parameters needed for your API call. Make sure to include your API key in the request header. Test the API call to ensure it retrieves the data successfully. Once verified, create a UI element in your project to display the location data. Map the retrieved data from the API call to the UI elements you've created. Design the interface to allow users to interact with or filter the location data. Lastly, test the complete functionality to ensure everything works seamlessly. That concludes the transfer of location tracking with Google Places into a no-code environment. Enjoy creating your application. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.